Good morning, guys. Well, actually for me it's good evening because it is 1 minute to 5 o'clock. Starting this vlog really late. Me and the kids have just been really busy. I made some chicken legs for them, but then they decided that they wanted some grilled cheese, and normally I would usually just say whatever you get, you get. But I was just in one of those moods, you know, sometimes you're just kind of like, you know what, grilled cheese, not a big deal. Save the chicken for tomorrow. So we did some painting for a little while. Yuri calls this her rainbow explosion. Gideon likes to center things a little bit more. He's not all over the place with stuff. So this is actually super inexpensive. We got these at the dollar store. I let Yuri use my paint sometimes, but there's other times where just finger painting is just better. This is kind of what's left over from our fort. We built a fort today. We had some popcorn and we read a bunch of books, and I took some pictures of that. It was pretty fun. I haven't built forts with Yuri in a really long time, probably like 2 or 3 years, so I think that they were just really excited to be able to do that. And we just did that part of like our homeschooling was in the fort, so I don't know, it was just really fun. So I'm gonna finish their grilled cheeses up, and then I am going to cook a bunch of chicken breast that I got, like a whole lot, and then I'm gonna cook this too. I cooked up a bunch of rice, and this was some of like the drumsticks that I cooked a little bit earlier during lunchtime, but they're not gonna eat right now. So I'm gonna be listening to some music while I do that. I usually listen to Alex Rainberg music on YouTube whenever I have my laptop up, just because they have some really good sounds. It's usually like a compilation of a lot of different songs in one, so it's like an hour long or something, but they usually have a lot of music that I really like. And then I have a lot of laundry to do and a lot of laundry to fold, so I'll probably be filming that in case you guys are interested in seeing some laundry folding. You guys like your dinner?
Mm-hmm. Especially cheese.
Oh. Do you want me to cut in half for you?
Yes, please.
Do you like it cut? Do you like it cut down the middle or in like sideways? Slanted, okay. Alright, so this is about the halfway mark. Turning the chicken over and using some of these Penzeys seasonings. Making these pretty much the same. I just put a honey mustard on top of them. Ooh, shoot. That's why cooking freaks me out. I hate when things like sizzle or jump. And I don't know about you guys, but touching meat with my hands, especially when it's raw, like really grosses me out. I just don't like doing it. So there's a lot of nights where I'm like, I just don't feel like eating meat because I don't feel like touching it. And sometimes I just do like chickpeas or something because it's kind of that intense for me where I really don't like feeling the meat on my hands. It's like a texture thing, I think. I guess that's where Yuri gets it from because she's really big on like textures and stuff like that too. I think 25 more minutes probably. Timer. Alright, so it is currently 7:30 right now, and both of my kids are clonked out in bed because they decided not to take naps earlier, which I thought was going to be the worst thing ever because Gideon does not function very well without his nap. But they did really well today, and I feel like we had a really, really good day. And I know that there's so many days where I just feel like I wake up and I'm tired and I just kind of let the day happen to me. And today I feel like I was trying very hard to be intentional about my day, about the way I was feeling, the activities that we did, and it ended up being a really good day. And I just kind of praise the Lord for that, and I'm just really happy that I could just let loose and have fun with my kids, because there's plenty of days where I'm just stressed out about things that I probably shouldn't be stressed out about, and today I didn't really let that affect me. So now I have my quiet time. Ben's at night class, so I have all this time to myself, which is really nice, but then there's that like, I don't know what to do with myself type of thing going on. And right now I'm on Facebook, and I'm trying to see which 90s TV character I am. Apparently I'm Jennifer Aniston. Yeah, I've been in comfy clothes all day. I've had my hair in a little braid. Probably can't tell. Aim it right. Yuri put this like little bow in my hair because she thought it would be really cute. thought that was just funny, I guess. And the chicken that I was making earlier is already all done. It's been done for a while. And then, like I said, I already have the rice. And then right now, I already have some pre-made vegetables. And then I also have some frozen vegetables that you just kind of heat up in the microwave. So yeah, I think I'm pretty much set for my week. So it's just, you know, mommy time, me time, Sandy time. So I think I'm just going to relax and watch something. I'm either going to watch a movie or just something on my list. I have The Office and Supernatural probably always on my list because I watch them over and over again, like Gilmore Girls, I guess. Me and Yuri really love Alice in Wonderland Through the Looking Glass, so we watch that kind of a lot. And then I have actually all this to fold and just kind of put away, so I'm debating on whether I'm going to do that. But I figured that I didn't really want to make this video that long where I'm going to be showing you me putting away clothes and everything because that can get really lengthy. So I think that I'm actually going to do that. I'm going to film myself, but I'm going to do it in my next video. So if you guys just want to click over to that one, that's what's coming up next. So I'm cutting this video off here. I'm going to relax and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.